In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Books online via Chrome. Let's dive right into it, ensuring you have a smooth setup and can take full advantage of Zoho Books for your business needs. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. This is one of the best browsers for accessing Zoho Books due to its compatibility and performance efficiency. Once Chrome is running, navigate to the Zoho Books website. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to register for a Zoho account. To do this, click on the sign up option and provide the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're inside, you'll need to enter your business information. This is a critical step as it tailors the platform to meet your specific business requirements. On the dashboard, look for the option to add business details. Here, you'll be asked for information such as your business name, address, and most importantly, your fiscal year details. Ensure these are accurate as they will affect your reporting and financial analysis within Zoho Books. Following this, it's time to configure your tax settings. Taxes can greatly differ depending on your region, so it's crucial to set this up correctly. Find the tax settings section and input the applicable tax percentages and rules according to your local tax legislation. If you're unsure about any specifics, consulting your accountant might be beneficial to avoid any compliance issues down the line. The next step involves setting up payment gateways and bank accounts, which is essential for seamless financial operations. Look for the payment gateway setup option and choose from the available options that best suit your business. This will allow you to accept payments directly through Zoho Books. Likewise, connect your business bank accounts for easier transaction tracking and reconciliation. By linking your bank accounts, you will enable Zoho Books to automatically import your bank transactions, saving you time and reducing manual entry errors. If you're transitioning from another accounting system or have existing financial data that you'd like to use, you're in luck. Zoho Books makes it easy to import existing financial data. Use the import data option to bring in your past transactions, customer information, and any relevant financial history. Zoho provides support for various file formats, ensuring a smooth transfer of your data. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to accessing Zoho Books online via Chrome and setting it up effectively for your business. By following these steps, you're on your way to managing your accounting with greater ease and precision. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more insightful content.